Two manufacturers rush to complete orders for important customers when their machinery malfunctions. Valuable time is lost before Bob, the production manager of one plant, knows there's an issue. Mike, the other production manager, knows instantly thanks to his digital radio alert. Once Bob discovers the problem, he calls maintenance on his cell phone, but struggles to hear over the clamor. Mike, however, hears and is heard clearly over the background noise when he immediately pushes to talk to maintenance. In the time it takes Bob to individually call and notify his crew members, Mike has instantly issued new work order tickets to maintenance, communicated the delay to the entire plant, and requested spare parts and tools required for the repair, all from his digital radio. The machinery in both plants starts to leak oil on the floor. Fortunately, Mike can use Transmit Interrupt to instantly communicate the issue, asking all employees to use caution when crossing the area. Not so with Bob. Since he can't instantly inform staff, there's a greater chance of accidents. When Bob attempts to clean the area, he drops his cell phone, causing it to fail. Not good. Now, Bob must waste precious time continually returning to the office to make calls from his landline. When Mike's digital radio tumbles onto the concrete shop floor, it continues to work, so he can too. Motorola Solutions Digital Radios, helping manufacturers stay full speed ahead of challenges.